You know what time it is? It's cafecito time. Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Sid, where we make videos on coffee recipes, coffee reviews, coffee adventures, and all things from the wonderful world of coffee. And today's video is a little special because not only am I making a new coffee recipe for the holiday that's coming up. Can you guys guess what holiday that is? Here's a little hint. St. Patrick's Day. But today's video is also a collaboration with a new coffee friend I have. Her name is Anasary, and she also has a YouTube channel. And today we are making an Irish cream coffee collaboration. So we're both making Irish cream coffees. I'm making a hot version. She's making a cold version. And you guys need to go watch her video. I'm going to leave the link down in the description. So go show her some love. Watch her video if you want to make an Irish cream cold coffee. If you want to watch my video for the Irish cream hot coffee, you guys need to watch them both. And make sure you have your recipes for St. Patrick's Day if you want to celebrate with coffee, because I love coffee. I'm not really a drinker of alcohol, but I could have a little treat every now and again. So yeah, Irish cream latte recipe coming right up. And then don't forget to go watch Anasary's video on the Irish cream cold coffee. So stick around. So for today's cafecito, I'm making my version of Irish cream latte. I was going to make a traditional Irish cream coffee, but I said, you know what, let's make it a little bit different. And I wanted to use espresso. So I looked on the internet and I kind of came up with my own recipe. So this is going to be an Irish cream latte, and this is what you need. Of course, you're going to need some Irish cream liqueur. Okay, so I'm not a drinker. I don't really drink beer, wine, alcohol. Wine sometimes, but really don't drink. So I went to the store to go buy some Irish cream liquor. Bailey's is like the most popular one. Damn, it's expensive. I honestly had no idea how much a bottle of Bailey's Irish cream cost. I don't even really know how much alcohol really costs. So that was a little steep for my pocket, but right next to it, they had O'Connor's Irish Cream Liqueur, imported from Ireland. So guess what? That's what we're using. You can use any Irish cream liqueur you want. Bailey's, there's other brands. I know Costco has their own brand, and this brand said imported from Ireland. So it sounds good to me. So I'm going to make an adult Irish coffee latte, Irish cream latte. And it's going to be alcoholic, but you can also make it non-alcoholic with, guess what else I found out? So I wanted to give you, if you don't want to drink it with alcohol or liqueur, you can buy Irish creamer, the original Irish cream, non-alcoholic Bailey's creamer. This looks pretty good too. So I'm going to be testing this out. But for today's recipe, we are using some liquor. So let's get the party started. Okay, here we go. This is what you need. You're going to need some Irish cream liqueur. You're going to need some milk of choice. I'm just using regular 2% milk, about a cup. You're going to need some brown sugar. This is 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. You're going to need some coffee, 2 shots of espresso. If you don't have espresso, any strong coffee will do. You could use your coffee of choice. This is 2 shots of Starbucks Cafe Verona espresso. And if you want to get fancy, you can use some whipped cream. And we're going to get fancy, so we're going to use some whipped cream and some chocolate shavings. Okay, let's get started. First and foremost, let us froth our milk. Here we go. put this baby in here. So we're going to froth it on the warm setting. So while that is frothing, let's get our Nespresso machine ready to go. I always forget to turn it on. Duh. And I don't have the fancy Irish cream coffee. There's these special cups that people use for Irish cream, but I'm just going to use my Nespresso View cup. So while the milk is frothing, I'm going to put brown sugar in my cup. I'm going to put the Irish cream in here as well. And I'm going to give that a little mix so the sugar mixes good with the liqueur. And you could use more sugar, less sugar. It's up to you. Okay, our milk is frothed, really foamy. And I like to see the layers, so I'm going to put the milk in first. Oh yeah, let's get that foam in there. There we go. Now we're ready for our 2 shots. Okay, here we go. Wow, that looks pretty cool already, doesn't it? Okay, so now I'm going to get our whipped cream because, hello. Oh, yeah. Oh, this smells good. So just add some whipped cream. As much or as little as you like. Whoa. And then, again, optional, but I have some chocolate shavings here because why not? And I literally chopped up a couple of chocolate chips I had. Voila, there it is. Irish Cream Latte. Whoa, adult version. Shall we taste it? I'm afraid to taste because it looks so pretty. Okay, here we go. Ooh, yeah, that's good. Let's mix it up a little bit. Ooh, that is good. You guys, this is really good. Wow, that Irish cream gives it a good little kick. And like I said, I'm not really a drinker, so 2 tablespoons of this is enough for me. If you want to add more, definitely go ahead and add more. This is 34 proof, which I have no idea what that means, but it's a little strong. Ooh, I could feel it. I could feel my little insides warming up. You guys, this is good. Wow. So if you want to celebrate for St. Patrick's Day with a little Irish cream coffee, try this recipe out. And don't forget to go check out my new friend, Anasary. She has another recipe for you to check out. Irish cream cold coffee, I believe is what she's doing. So make sure you go check out her video. Go I'm leaving the link in the description. go show her some love, go check out her video. And yeah, you could have it hot, you could have it cold, whatever you want. So make sure you guys have subscribed to my channel, go subscribe to her channel, give our videos thumbs up to help us grow, because you know, it's all about Women's Month and we're helping each other out, and you should help us out too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super easy, super simple, and oh my God, this is so good. I might be a little tipsy after this, but that is okay. Thanks guys for watching. We'll see you guys next week. Bye.